Have you ever had a hard time using Google Classroom or wondered, how do I use Google Classroom? Here's a video that will help you to be able to navigate and use Google Classroom with ease. First things first, open up your internet browser and get to your Google Classroom. Once your internet browser is up and running, type in google.com and sign in at the upper right-hand corner. This is where you sign in. Once you're signed in, click on the waffle and click on Classroom. Now your classroom will pop up. Now click on your classroom. Once you have clicked on your classroom, your class's home page will pop up, which is also known as Stream. If you look at the top of your classroom, that is what the home page is called, right where my mouse is circling. This home page will give you an overview of assignments, questions, and announcements that have been made. If you scroll down, you can see all the changes that have been made to this page.